Intel recently announced the Intel Optane SSD 800P. Find out what this latest addition to the Intel Optane family of products can enable. I'm Stephanie Essen, and this is IDZ Weekly. The 800P joins the Intel Optane SSD 900P, designed for both enthusiast and professional users. Intel Optane memory is an acceleration solution to speed up slower storage like hard disk drives and SATA SSDs. Intel Optane SSD 800P enables fast system boot, speedy application load times, and smooth multitasking. It's ideal for use as a standalone SSD, in a dual drive setup, or in a multiple SSD RAID configuration that is PCH-based or CPU-based. The drive also supports lower power states, allowing it to operate in devices like laptops and 2-in-1 devices, as well as desktop systems. To learn more about the specs, check out the link provided to visit the Intel newsroom. Thanks for watching IDZ Weekly. See you next Monday.